Morning viewers, I'm Dr. Idoko Paul. I'm here to tell you about having an idea about your 2D 4D ratio. The 2D 4D ratio is the length between the index finger, which you call your second digit, with that of the ring finger, which is called the fourth digit. Okay, now how do you get to measure the digit ratio? What you do is to get a vernier caliper, or your small rule. You get it, measure from your vertex down, this line you see here, down up, then also do the same here, down up. So now this digit ratio is sexually dimorphic. When you say sexually dimorphic, that means it tends to be lower in males as compared to females. And then again, what's bringing about that? You see the testosterone, the presence of testosterone in males tend to reduce the length of this index finger, and then the presence of estrogen in females tends to enhance the length of this index finger. So now once you have testosterone in males reducing the length of this index finger, you see that males tend to have a lower 2D 4D. 2D is just like this your index finger divided by your ring finger. So when you take the measurement, you divide the length of the index finger with the length of the ring finger. That is when you get to the 4D. And then now this length is lower in males. It's lower in males as compared to females. Now, what's the major reason why you need to have an idea of a 2D 4D ratio is due to the fact that in the case of this embalmment, let's say for instance you went into a scene, it, and then where there's an accident victim, or a scene where there's an accident or something like that, you and then you can easily emphasize the sex of the individual if you have an idea of the 2D 4D ratio. And mind you, I said the 2D 4D ratio is higher in females. That means when you get the length of the index finger and that of the ring finger, and then you divide, you see that higher values in females is you have higher values in females as compared to males. So that was it. You measure when you measure it is higher in females as compared to males. In females you have something like 1 point something going up, while in males you have something like lower than 0.89 downwards in males. So in case of disembowelment, when you see like a somebody perhaps went and you just entered an accident, an accident scenario, or a case where a place where there's accident, so you can easily, and then there's disembowelment in the sense of disembowelment in the sense that okay, the body parts of these individuals were clearly removed, so and then you're just left with the fingers or the digit or the hand, mind you. So the simple thing you can just do is just to take the measurement of the index finger on that of so now you can easily associate it with sex. You can easily decipher that okay, this belongs to a female and then this belongs to a male. So that is why I said it is very important to have an idea of your digit ratio, what you call 2D 4D ratio.